Hey guys, back here with another video. Okay, so I am going to be hanging out up here at the train tracks. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, so you will be notified when I post a new video, and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any video ideas for me to do, comment down below, and I will be reading all the comments. Okay guys, so like I said at the beginning of this video, I am going to be hanging out at the train tracks right up here, just like I know exactly where I'm going. I filmed there a couple times, and I am planning on going there and hanging out and filming too. Guys, so if you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification, so you will be notified when I post a new video. And then comment down below done to increase your chances for a shout out. Go to all my old videos and comment down on those, like how long you've been watching me for, and I will be reading all the comments. And I will be picking one of you guys each week to give a shout out to. So yeah, that's the only thing we have to do for a shout out. And I will be picking one of you guys each week to give a shout out to. Okay guys, so where I'm going, it is right up here, right up the road here, mall. And I am going to be hanging out here for a little bit, and then I am probably going to be filming another video today. I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, and if I do film another video, I don't know when I am going to be posting that one either. I still have to edit this video, and if I film another video, I have to edit that video too if I film another one, which I really haven't decided if I was going to film another video today or not. Okay, so it is, well, where I am going to be hanging out, it is right up here. Like I said, I filmed a couple of videos back this way before, and I'm probably going to be filming a lot more videos like back here at a park or wherever else. Videos like I've been posting, probably posting more. There's a train. There's a train! Go, go, go! I didn't expect that a train was gonna go by. I did expect that. I thought it would have been a little bit until a train went by. But I guess not. Because since there was just a train. Okay guys, so I probably said this in like the last time I was back here, like right in here filming. I probably said it in that video. I honestly don't remember if I did or not, but I remember a couple years ago my brother and our friends and I, we came back here to hang out, to watch the trains go by. And then, like, a couple minutes later, I don't remember how long, but a couple minutes later, there was somebody came back and he started yelling at us for being back here because I guess he saw that we crossed this line here. His wires here at the poles, but we didn't. We were just like right in here in the alley hanging out. But the guy came back and yelled at us because I guess he didn't want us back here, or something like that. And like I said before, he saw that we crossed. Like, he saw we went onto the train tracks, even though we didn't. And we were, like, right in here hanging out. And the guy left. And then he said that he claimed that he was going to call the cops. And then he left, and then we still hanged out here, because we saw that the guy called all the cops on us, and then we waited for like a couple minutes for the cops, just in case if he did call the cops on us. And so we waited for a couple minutes and the cops never showed up. Guys, so in the last video, whenever I was hanging out under the underpass, I was reading that one thing they had hanging up there. I said that behind this mirror there, behind that wall, concrete wall, there were steps going up, leading up to the train tracks there. Well, people voted on the train. Like, there was a platform somewhere up here, and so people can't board the trains. I think that platform at the steps, I think they were, it is like right back there, I think. I don't know if it is or not, but I'm thinking that it is right back there. But like I said, I have no clue if it is or not. I have to come back here. I have to come here every day. Like, whenever I'm not busy, I have to start coming here, up here by the train tracks. Like in this area here, and hang out every day whenever I'm not busy, because it's actually peaceful back. It's actually peaceful here. And I might film videos. I might start filming more videos back here. Like me hanging out and watching trains and doing stuff. Oh, this is nice. This is cute flowers. Those berries there, they are poisonous. Like, we do not want to eat them, because if we do, then we will get sick. I kind of want to hop this fence and explore back there. But what if someone comes out of their houses and sees me back there? Or what if someone comes back, like passes through and sees me back there? They're probably going to call the cops. They're probably going to call the cops, but there is no trespasses on, no passing signs up here. Unless if there are some up here, up here more. There's edible berries, but I think, yeah, they are blackberries. So whenever they're like, guess we don't want to eat them then. But whenever they are black, like that one, then empty. Yeah, guys, so I think there are trespassing signs up here more on the fence, but I actually have no clue if there are. But I want to sneak in there sometime. I actually want to sneak in there and explore. I tried to get into it. I actually kind of want to try to get, whenever I go back there to explore, I am probably going to be filming a video. And if I do, like, jump the fence here to explore back there, then I am probably going to try to sneak into this building here. Okay, guys, so there are they don't have no trespassing signs up. So I'm guessing that we are able to go back there. But they have a locked. I kind of want to try to learn how to unlock locks, like lock picking thing. So I could try to lock pick that lock there, or get lock up here, and go exploring back here and try to sneak into this building. And I mean, I just think I would get in trouble. Because, like I said before, there's no trespassing signs up here on this fence here. And if they don't want anyone to explore, like go through the vent, like go back in there exploring, then maybe they should have no trespassing signs up. I don't know if I'm going. I haven't decided yet if I am going to go back here, like drop the fence or pick the locks and explore back here. Back there, I have no clue yet if I am actually going to be doing that or not. Because I honestly don't want to get caught and get into trouble. I mean, I just think I'm going to, since because there's no trespassing signs up. So why would I get in trouble? Oh, I thought that car was coming back this way. Okay guys, so I am going to end the video here. See you in the next video. Peace out.